Hey gang, it's Ryan at Skid Steer Nation. We just delivered a Do More grader. This is the gentleman's first 5 minutes using the attachment. He's kind of learning how to grade with it. He's got a pretty nasty parking lot here with some high traffic, lots of holes, washboarding, a lot of semi-truck traffic. You can see here he's getting the grade on, material coming up in the middle, falls out the back. Again, he's just been using this for about 5 minutes. He's getting the hang of it. He's not an expert by no means. He does have the hydraulic adjustable blade attachment, so you can go from a straight to an angle blade with it, which allows you to recapture material from the edge of a roadway, pull it back in for like a crowning, or you can leave it in a straight to do flat work like he's doing here, and kind of go from there. There's 4 cutting edges in the grader, 2 facing forwards, 2 facing backwards. It allows material to drop down in the center to fill in low spots and cut out the washboarding in high spots. Once he gets the hang of this, he'll be able to grade this entire driveway. I would guess in about 20 minutes. Again, he just purchased this. We delivered it today. He's only been using the attachment 5 to 7 minutes right now, getting the hang of it, seeing what it can do. It's kind of when you're sitting up high like that, you think you're level. When you set the box down, you're usually front heavy. So he's just getting used to watching how the material flows over the cutting edges. You want to make sure that material comes over both edges at the same time, kind of creating equal size piles. That's how you know you're level. Again, it's got 4 cutting edges. We're working forwards and reverse. Let me see if we can get over here. He's mixing some good material right now into the front blade. It should start coming out the back any second. Yeah. He's getting a little pile up. I think he's back heavy on the angle of the box right now as he's getting used to this. So it'll mix material between the 2 cutting edges and start dropping it out the back. Drop into the low spots and high spots. You can tilt it up to feather a little bit more, or you can take the back of the grader off the ground and have more pressure on the front blade to really do more of a rough cutting on that. The cutting edges on these are motor grader cutting edges. They're not like a box blade thin metal. Again, for the guys that just jumped on, we just delivered this grader. He's only been using it for about 5 minutes. He's trying to get the hang of it, and just kind of playing with it to see what it can do. If you guys do a lot of grading work and you've been using your bucket or some other type of a drag right now, this grader will greatly reduce the amount of time you spend on a job and provide a little better product for the end customer. They'll be happy with it. That's the Do More grader, guys. Again, he's just been using it for a few 5 minutes. You can see he's hardly touched the parking lot. We just put it on the machine for him to use. He's just been going back and forth, getting the hang of it to see how the material flows through the box to make sure he's level here and there. So, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and check it out on the website, www.skidsteernation.com. It's under the collection graders. Hope you guys are all making money today and have a good day.